Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. This boat is powered by the new Mercury 300 Verado, which is naturally aspirated with digital throttle and shift. This boat does have a transom live well. Here in the back, you have a huge fold-down transom seat. Underneath, you have a cooler. Moving forward, you've got flip-down bolsters, tilt wheel steering. This does have the Lenco trim tabs, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, and the windlass anchor system. As we make our way to the bow, you'll see low profile railing for fishing and still gives you area to grab on hold of. Here in the front, have another box. You'll have full wraparound cushionings in the bow with your anchor windlass up front. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.